3 is 0.203 is equal to 105 plus x. Okay, circle the value of x. So they're asking us, sorry, not trying to, they're asking us what is x going to be so that my answer is equal to this. Okay, so an important point here is equal sign. Remember, it just means that both sides are equivalent. Okay, so it's like an equation that we have here. So I need to just work out what is x so that when I add it to a fifth, it gives me this. So what I would first start off by doing is remembering or reminding myself what is a fifth as a decimal, because chaining 0.203 as a fraction, okay, that is going to get too confusing and hard for us. So easiest to chain that, and so that we've got just decimals that we're working with. Okay, so a fifth is 0.2 as a decimal, and that's just one of the standard fractions that we need to remember, because a fifth does come up quite a lot. Okay, it's just the same as 2/10. So then now I need to know 0.2 plus what is going to give me 0.203. So what I'm going to do is do 0.203. I know it is a bit obvious from here, but just to make it even more easier for us, I'm just going to do the subtraction calculation down here, just to show us that what we need to do. So I know that a fifth is 0.2, but I can also add the placeholders, 2 placeholders, so that I can subtract easily, okay, from 0.203. So let's actually subtract. I'm just left with 3, because 3 minus nothing is 3. The rest is just 0, okay, because 2 minus 2 is 0, and therefore my answer is 0.003. Okay, now I need to understand, or I need to remember, sorry, what is 0.003 as a fraction. Okay, so that's now remembering. Don't know why I'm saying understanding instead of remembering. Sorry about that. I need to remember what is 0.003, okay, in terms of place value with decimal. So there's my tens, there's my units, sorry, decimal point, tens, and then I've got hundredths, sorry, tenths, hundredths, and then I've got my thousandths. So therefore, this 3 is the same as 3 over 1,000. Okay, hence this is my answer.